Just a wee update. It's a wee while since I'm just selling into my new place. I think that's a couple of weeks I've been in. It's been a bit hectic. I'm back onto this. Taking the fork tubes off the Honda. This, the headstock bearings. It's like the bearings are square. Oh, dearie me. So I've still got the engine lying to bits. I've done a few jobs. It's been an eventful couple of weeks. Ooh. Hey, I'll get this off and I'll let you see. It's pretty straightforward, stripping that off. I'll do a video of the overhaul of the forks. I'll get this off. That's just a big nut at the top there. And that should just slip off, hopefully. I got that bit welded. There was a big crack in the frame there. Well, it wasn't a big crack, it was just a wee. Right. Yeah, I've got that off. That was a 32mm nut on that. So I've got that off. I'm slacking that off. It's supposed to be one of the, is that a C-spanner they call it? Just take that off. These bearings are going to be totally knackered. Totally. They're certainly well greased, but let's see. The outer track of the bearing, if you can see that. That is totally knackered. That's pretty straightforward. They're just taper bearings. Knock the outer tracks out. There's my old Suzuki there. My wee baby. These bearings, I'm sure there's a tool you can get to go in there and grip onto it. But if you were to buy it with a special tool, you wouldn't be able to move. So that's what I use. So you should get that for the bottom and just catch onto that and knock that up. And the same with the bottom one. I noticed there's a wee crack in that frame there. So I'm going to weld that. Well, I'm going to attempt to weld it. Right, what I've done with that crack, I've ground it out and I've went away past the crack. So I'll have to fill that with weld.